everyone, welcome to our channel, and we provide you free Chinese language courses. In today's lesson, we'll focus on the last part of compound vowels, which is also the last part of all the finals. And then we will learn how to ask names and say nice to meet you in Chinese. Now, let's quickly review the things we have learned from last time. Look at the left part of the screen, everyone. Do you remember the sounds? First one. Yes. An. Next. An. Yes. Third one. Yin. Yes. And. Wen. Last one. Yun. Yes, and the useful expressions, how to say thank you. Yes, it's 谢谢 or 谢谢你. Again, 谢谢. 谢谢你. To answer that, we say 不谢 or 不客气. Again, 不谢不客气. And say goodbye, 再见再见. Okay, we're not saying goodbye now. Everybody come back and let's get into the new things we are learning today. The first part are the vowels plus g. Vowels plus g. Okay, letter G in Chinese pinyin, it doesn't say G, it says g, g. So, vowels plus g, what do they say? You know, the first one, it says an. Yes. How about an plus g? Listen carefully. Ang, ang, ang. Again. Ang. It's a tricky one. This one says an. This one says ang. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds very similar, but the truth is they're different. Look at the screen. When we say an, the tone, the tip part of our tongue touches the upper part of our mouth. The tip of our tongue touch the upper part. Okay? Again. An. Yes. But when we say ang, the root of our tongue touch the upper part. Yes, like this. Ang. Again. Ang. Yes, this is the difference between an and ang. Okay. Actually, there is a little small tip you can use when pronounce an and ang. When we say an, you can gently lower your chin like this. An. And you say ang, you lift. Ang. Again. An. Yes. We can use the same trick with the last several vowels. First one, an, and plus g, plus g, again, an, yes. Next, yin, yang, and the last one, ong. Yes. Ang as in bang. Great. Bang. As in冷, cold, 冷. Ying as in赢, to win, 赢. And last one, ong as in 红, red, 红. Yes. Rule number 2, E plus the vowels. Look at the left one. Yes, we just learned it says ang, right? E plus ang, yang, everyone. Yang, and on plus e, it says on, yong again. Yong. This one, yang as in 想, to think. 想. Yong as in 用, to use. 用. Okay. Third one, u plus the vowels. We know this one says an. How about this one? U plus an. U, an. One. Yes. One. U plus n. One. U plus ang. Wang. U and ng. Weng. Okay. One as in one, to play. One. Wen as in when, to ask. When. Wang as in Wang, forget. Wang. Weng as in Weng, which means old grandpa or old man. Now you may notice that we don't say you in this pinyin, but we see W here. This is the very important rule of writing pinyin. We will learn these rules in our following courses, okay? You just remember that W here, it replaces U, says the sound of U. So W says U, W says U. Okay, rule number 4. You see this one? Yu plus n. Yun. Yes. Yu plus an. You try. Yes. Yuan. Yun as in 寻, to look. 寻. Yuan as in yuan. Do you know what are these? Yes, they are the Chinese money. Yuan. Look at the screen now, everyone. These are all the compound vowels we talked about today. Now, can you try to see the sound? No? Yes? Okay, let's do it together. First one. Ang. Number 2. Ng. 3. Ying. 4. Ong. Next. Yang. Next. Yong. Move on. One. Next. Wen. Next. Wang. Next. Weng. Next. Yuan. Last one. Yun. Okay, how many do you still remember? And now we have learned all the finals of the Chinese pinyin. The first row are the single ones, and the last rows are the compound ones. And we know that the single ones are the basic of the compound ones. Okay, so look at the screen. Can you read all the finals of pinyin? If you cannot, you can check the former lessons of our channel to remind you the sound of all the finals. Now, let's enter part 2, useful expressions of Chinese. Imagine if you meet a guy you want to know about. First thing you say hello, yes, and then how to ask his name. Listen and read after me. 你叫什么名字 Again. 你叫什么名字 Which means what's your name? And to answer that, we say 我叫王红你呢 Which means my name's Wang Hong and you? Again, 我叫王红你呢 Yes. And to answer this question, we say 我叫麦克 Again, 我叫麦克 Nice to meet you in Chinese. 很高兴认识你很高兴认识你 Yes. And me too, or nice to meet you too in Chinese. 我也是我也是 Okay. Now, read after me the whole dialogue. 你叫什么名字？我叫王红。你呢？我叫麦克。很高兴认识你。我也是。You may notice that Wang Hong and Mai Ke, they are actually names that I thought of. You can replace it with your own names. And the vocabulary from the dialogue. First one, you. 你 And I, me. 我 To be called. 叫 What? 什么 Name? 名字 Happy? 高兴 To meet, to know. 认识 And Amis are 是 Now, look at the screen. These are all the finals we learned today. And how many of them do you still remember? Let's go through them one more time. Ang, eng, yang, ong, yang, yong, wan, wen, wang, weng, yuan, yun. And the dialogue about names and nice to meet you. Follow me, everyone. 你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？我叫王红。你呢？我叫王红。你呢？我叫麦克。我叫麦克。很高兴认识你。很高兴认识你。我也是。我也是。 很好 everyone, good job. Okay, on our last course, we will learn the tones and initials of the Chinese pinyin. Do you still remember the Chinese pinyin has 3 parts, initials, finals, and tones? We have finished the second part, which is also the most difficult part. So now, on the last course, we will learn the initials and the tones. And then we'll try to talk about nationality in Chinese. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, give me a like, and if you want to learn more about Chinese language, you can subscribe our channel. We update weekly. See you next time. 再见.